What's going on, guys? So today I'm out here at Explore USA RV Supercenter in Rockport, Texas, and we're going to take a look at this interesting Imagine because the floor plan in here is very imaginative. I'm not going to say I don't like it, but I'm going to say it's definitely a bit of a strange floor plan considering what they probably could have done. So yeah, you're definitely going to want to see this one. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Alright, so before we get started, if you enjoy watching RV and truck content, RV accessories, truck accessories, towing information, all of that stuff, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button below the video. It lets me know that you appreciate the content that I put out, that I'm putting out the right type of content, but more importantly, it helps support the channel. So I would really appreciate it if you took a moment and subscribed to my channel. Alright, so let's take a look at the numbers on this unit. The GVW are relatively heavy of 10,195 pounds. That means the total weight of the trailer fully loaded to capacity, it's going to weigh about 10,195 pounds. Has a cargo capacity of 1,741 pounds. It has twin axles, E-rated tires, and the axles on this unit are 5,100 pound axles each. So the axles capacity actually exceeds by 5 pounds the actual gross vehicle weight rating of the trailer, which is a good thing. That's a really good thing. Anyways, trailer this weight, this size, 3/4 ton towable. I would not put this behind a 1/2 ton truck. And even if it's 3/4 ton, you're still going to want to be careful because some 3/4 ton trucks have kind of low towing capacity. You put this thing behind like a Ram Power Wagon, you're going to exceed the capacity just with the tongue weight of this trailer alone before you put any people, supplies, any of that stuff in. So you always want to be careful, make sure you have the right tow vehicle. Alright, so we're going to start with the inside of this Grand Design Imagine, then we're going to work our way to the outside. I'm going to pass by this door, and you'll see why when we go inside. We're going to go up these steps into this Grand Design Imagine 3210 BH. BH, of course, means bunkhouse, which is this area back here. And we'll take a closer look at that. Nice friction hinge door, first and foremost. I like that. Alright, so I'm going to start in the bunkhouse. I'm going to let you see what's going on in here. I'm going to pan around, and you're going to see the part that's imaginative to me. What do you think it is? What do you think is going to stand out as being a little bit weird, strange to me? Alright, so let's actually start from the bunkhouse and work our way to the front of this unit. So the bunkhouse has this really cool storage entry exit, which I love. Love having stuff like this because if you don't necessarily use this as a bunkhouse or you want to load supplies in, having an exterior hatch like this that gives you the ability to throw your stuff inside and then you just kind of rearrange it when you get where you're going is always nice. This lets you hit the road so much faster than having to constantly climb inside, find a place for everything, and get going. Most of the time when you get to where you're going is when you can organize stuff. So you have a lot of bunk capacity in here. You have a bunk up here, which is already flipped up, and there's a window over here as well, but it has a nice sized bunk here. You have a bunk beneath it. You have a bunk over here and a bunk over here. So you have bunk space for 4 large kids back here because these are very, very large bunk areas. Nice 4 drawers for storage and wardrobe. Good window over here. Again, you have that really cool escape hatch. Window right here, window right here. You have 3 main side windows, then you have the window up here and the one down here. So you have a lot of light that can come into this unit. You put this one down, that window's open. You can see there is no lack of light inside of this bunkhouse. And it's so far away from the master bedroom that it really isolates the sound well between the two. So if you have loud kids back here playing and you're trying to sleep, well, you can try to get some sleep. All right, stepping out of the bunkhouse into the kitchen area, you have your Furrion, looks like a 12-volt refrigerator, which it is. And they actually have the doors reversed on this refrigerator. So typically they're on the other side, but it is their 12-volt refrigerator. You have some pantry space right here, which is really nice. Your island is a thermofoil island, which means it's a wood material with this sealed wrap around it. Essentially it's solid surface because the surface of it is impenetrable by water. You have a nice single basin sink with a straining rack on top. Let's take a look at the price since we're right here. Alright, so this is going to have an MSRP of $70,109, which means the sale price on this unit is going to be significantly lower than that. It's probably going to be, I don't even want to guess, but it's going to be a lot lower. If you're interested in this unit, call them. I bet you that price will be quite a bit less. Over here, you have your 3-burner cooktop, little compact oven beneath it. You have some drawers there, more storage right here, more drawers in the kitchen. Love having drawers. Give you a place for your silverware. Very, very nice, tall cabinetry, so you can put a nice wastebasket in there. Compact microwave. More storage right here. All right, taking a look at the living room. All right, let's start with this because I'm going to spend some time talking about that. You got your big TV here. You got some nice storage compartments. Your entertainment system is behind this cabinet. You still have some storage above, and then you have more storage on the other side. You can see your dinette is a booth-style dinette, which converts into a bed. But then across from it, well, I guess before we get to that, you have your really nice coffee station area right here. Nice little wet bar area. I love this space. It's a little weird having it so far from the kitchen, but shoot, we're in an RV, so far is like 6 feet. So it's not really that far. Plus some more storage down here as well, plus some cabinets up top. Nice radius ceiling, so it curves up, so you have more ceiling height towards the center. But this is the part that I want to talk about. So I don't really know what was going on in their minds when they came up with this. Mainly because, hear me out on this one, the dinette to me would have been better placed right here. Or something else right here, maybe a desk. But they put these 4 huge seats, which I get if you have a lot of kids in here and you're using this as a way to get all the teens out to go camping and you want to have everyone being able to sit down and watch a movie at once on a relatively small TV. You know, you have the space to do that because now 4 people can sit in here and watch it. But my gut tells me that they had the ability here to make this a little bit more functional per se. If they put the dinette there, if they put something else here, maybe a desk here, the dinette there, and then, you know, maybe have a full sofa right here or a bar top right here that you can look out the window. But what are your thoughts? Please let me know. Am I way off base on this one? Do you guys love this design? And maybe it's that whole toy hauler mentality I'm thinking of right now of, you know, a lot of toy haulers have a sofa that kind of looks like this. It's just a whole wall of seating. But it's just a little strange to me, that's all. But leave a comment below. You may absolutely love this. This may be the floor plan you've been just wishing and dreaming a manufacturer would come out with. If you do, please post it below in the comment section. I'd love to know your thoughts behind this. Okay, stepping towards the bathroom area. This is a bathroom that separates the bedroom from the living room. I suppose if you needed to get into the bedroom and somebody was in the bathroom, you could go outside and go through the entry-exit door for the bedroom itself. Has a very good sized shower with a pretty deep little pan right there, to be honest. Porcelain toilet, plenty of room in front of it. You have a nice cornered medicine cabinet and mirror. Over here you have a nice stainless steel basin sink, plenty of room around it. Lots of room for toiletries in here. And then more space underneath the sink. Well, not a lot of space because they're actually using that for some of the electronics behind that panel. You have another sliding door right here that takes you into the master bedroom, which gives you a queen-size bed. I love the little pockets there on the side for your phone, iPad, cup of coffee, charging capabilities, all of that, plus some nice reading lamps above. Nice drawers here and cabinets as well. And then the bed's also going to have storage underneath it, along with a sliding tray that helps you organize stuff when it's in here. It doesn't want to slide very easily right now. It actually feels like it's tacked down over there. But yeah, that normally slides back and forth here. It's on strut arms. Very cool. You have your second AC in here as well. What do you guys think of this unit? Is this something you absolutely love? Anyways, let's hop outside, take a look at the outside real quick. Okay, quickly, starting from the front, working our way back. You have your electric front tongue jack, a spot for 2 20-pound propane cans, spot for a couple of batteries. This is going to ride on, looks like a 10-inch I-beam frame. Nice thick baggage doors. Good size pass-through storage as well. Actually, a great size pass-through storage. That's huge. That's a lot larger than I thought it would be. Scissor style manual jacks on all 4 corners. You have your aluminum entry exit steps that fold in to your bedroom entrance. Outside, this is going to be your black tank flush valve. Very odd location for it. 10-inch I-beam frame again, rack and pinion slide out. This is going to have 1 or 2 awnings. Okay, so it has an awning on this slide. It has an awning behind it as well. You have your Moride step above steps here. You also have a way to hold the door open right here along with the friction hinge. You have your outside kitchen area. No sink. Does have a compact refrigerator. Has a very nice griddle, capital griddle. And it's kind of unique how you slide it. So it has ball bearing slides right there, but then you push it in, and then you lift the front up, and then you slide it back like this. And that's so you can get it far away from your RV so you don't splash grease all over it if you're cooking bacon in the morning. Magnet to hold up this door. This hatch is kind of thin, kind of light. I would have kind of expected something a little bit heavier duty there. You have your 2 windows for the bunkhouse on this side. It does not have frameless windows. All LED lighting. It does have a 4-inch tubular bumper on the back, and there's that entry exit hatch. Not sure if it's locked or not. It is locked. Wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. Has a ladder to take you on top of the roof. Your 50 amp power connection right there because it has twin ACs. Has on-demand hot water from Furrion. This looks like it's going to be a cool storage spot. Check that out. That is really cool. And you could fit folding chairs in here. You could fit folding tables in here. Fishing equipment if you collapse it all. Tools. Air compressor. That's really nice. Done a great job with that. Got your slide out here, which is also rack and pinion. Love seeing rack and pinion slides. All right, coming around front. Outside of your furnace, you got some lighting out here above your sewer connections, which is really, really nice. Right here is going to be your water tank for fresh water. Nice thick baggage door here as well. Then you have your wet bay right here. So you have all your water connections here. Outside, a little shower sink, power disconnect, your tire link connection for your TPMS system if you want to add it. Nice slam latches. Very cool. What do you guys think of this really cool, interesting floor plan? Is this something you love? Do you love how they did the love seats inside of there, or is it something you think they should do a little different? I'd love to know your opinion. Anyways, guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.